Beautiful natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna, and if you are new here, welcome. I am so happy to have everybody on board. Before I jump into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Don't be afraid to blow up the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Alright, so let's jump right into the video. Alright, so in today's video, guys, I am going to be, first thing first, my hair is freshly washed and pre-stretched. Yes. And then I'm going to go right ahead and add this hair food to my hair. I'm going to be adding it to my hair root. And I'm also going to be adding it to my hair. I'm also going to be using this. This is Yulcha hair wax. I'm going to be using a brush, a comb, bobby pins, and rubber bands. I'm also going to be using this because I don't have as much rubber bands, so I have to substitute. And last but not least, I'm going to be using, I don't know if I'm going to end up using the 2 packs of Ghana braid. I'm not sure, but to be on the safe side, about 2 packs of Ghana braid. This is 40 inch. I love using the Ghana braid because it's easy to manage. You don't have to be pulling, right? It's easily to manage. Oh guys, I am challenging myself today. As you all can see, I am wearing nails. I am challenging myself today, yes, to see if I can do hairstyle using nails. And this is the very first time I am going to be doing this, so let's see how it goes. So natural lovers, first thing first, I am starting off using the hair food into my hair root, as you all can see. Then I am going to be applying some of the hair food into my hair itself, right, for moisture. And I'm just massaging it in, rub it in. Yeah. All right, so basically what I am doing here, I'm just catching my hair into 4. I am not gonna lie, doing my hair with nails for the very first time, it was a bit of a struggle, especially when I'm doing the parting. As you can see, the root is not proper, the hair is not parted properly, but you know, forgive me. Alright, so now I'm just taking out some small amount of hair to do my edges. You know, girl have to have baby hair slay. Front section, I'm just slightly catching it towards the side because that's where I want my, you know, bun to be, at the side. Right, and then in the back section, all I'm doing is just, you know, flat twisting all 3 twists that I did towards the back, and then at the end, so at the end, I'm just basically doing like a bantu knot. Now I'm gonna go in with the Yulcha hair wax to do my edges. stay on my head for a few minutes, then I'm gonna be removing it. The braid that I'm plaiting right now is for the back section, right? So basically I'm just plaiting it, and surprisingly, I am so surprised that I plait the hair using nail. So I'm just, stretching the hair out a bit. Yeah. So guys, I'm just adding it over that little bun that I made, right? So I'm setting it properly, and then I am going to basically add bobby pins so that it can hold the braid into place. I'm just basically adding that rubber band over my little bun, and then I'm gonna be sectioning into two, and basically I am just twisting that section. At the end of each twist, I'm going to be adding a black rubber band just to keep the hair end secure. With that piece of hair, I am just gonna be wrapping it around the hair, and with the twisted braid in the front section, I am just just making a bun. It's basically just a bun I am making in the front section, and just attaching hairpins or bobby pins for the hair to be secure, because we don't want the hair to fall out. If you guys realize, the nails them are off my finger because it's a long story, but the challenge didn't fail because I did the major part. Here you go. So guys, that's how my hair look. What I'm gonna be doing right now, I'm gonna be doing my makeup, and then I'll checking back with you all. And that's the outcome of the hairstyle. She looks like a queen, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. So that's the back section.